have fallen $3 per hundredweight. AgDay's Michelle Rook discusses that and the outlook for milk prices in today's Markets Now.
Welcome to Markets Now. Bryan Doherty, Total Farm Marketing, joining us. And Bryan, let's talk about the milk markets, which had a nice rally up until about October 19th and then have fallen precipitously. What's going on?
Yeah, that was really concerning to me because we were at a time of year where milk got cheap enough, cheese got cheap enough, products got cheap enough. We had good strength in all the products, in particular butter. And then all of a sudden it hit a wall and quickly fell down. And it had looked like that jump in price came from there was a day where I was talking to a dairy producer and I said, I just cannot understand why the buyer isn't buying product hand over fist right now. It's on sale. And sure enough, the market took off. So I felt somewhat vindicated with that mindset that it was a value proposition. And yet we rallied up, and then the market quickly, again, eroded back down and fell apart. And that's the third time now we kind of spiked this market up and it falls apart. So it tells me that perhaps the bigger players in the marketplace view that the dairy herd just isn't cutting back small enough to warrant economic conditions that are questionable. And so we quickly see where the buyers seem to pull back from the market, and they're kind of learning they can pull back and they can wait. That's not to say the market doesn't have potential, but if we thought that we're going to get a good strong rally into the $19, $20 mark into December, early January, I'm getting very concerned that that's out of sight right now, and that we'd absolutely need to see some kind of production cuts. And with bigger facilities and heavily capitalized, I am concerned that with insurance products and hedging that farmers probably did here earlier in the year, that we just haven't cut the herd back enough.
So as a result, what is your price projection? Do you think we're going to go much lower than where we are into the end of the year?
Now, it's tough to be a bear in this environment. I think milk is a good value. Cheese is a good value. Butter's pulled back. Maybe that's going to be a more important value. It kind of got over itself. It got ahead of its skis, I say, on it really kind of pushed up there. But it's of good value. And so you always have to remember when you have a market that's of value, and even if you have money that's investing on the short side of the market, at some point that money has to ask itself, what is the risk of staying short versus the potential that the market turn around.
Thanks for joining us, Bryan Doherty with Total Farm Marketing, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.
To discuss marketing strategies, call 800-334-9779.